Hey, g'day guys. It's been a long time since I've done a video, I can tell you. Now, today, well, we're getting close towards Christmas, so I've got to make some kind of Christmas present, and what I'm doing is I'm making a little unit for my grandkids to be able to put their toys away in a box. Mum's buying the boxes from IKEA, which are these brightly coloured, how can I say, plastic boxes. However, I'm making up a wall unit. Now, I'm going to show you this little trick that I've come up with. And I'll switch the camera around, and where I'm actually dominoing the shelves like so. Now there'll be another shelf exactly on the same line, and I know I could have trenched that, but I dominoed it instead because I always like a challenge. But what I've done is I've done a good little setup here, and I'll just sort of run through it. This is my obviously my my 14 millimeter rail, 1400 millimeter rail, I should say. Been a while since I've done a video, so can't remember how to talk. Now, what I've got is I've got my domino, which I made a little cradle here out of some an old Festool plate. I don't know. Do you know what? I can't even remember. I think the plate might have been from a jigsaw thing. I'm not quite sure, but what I did, it fits on the track, it glides along beautifully. I made up a little plate at the back out of some of that phenolic plastic. That screws into the same holes which is in the back of the domino. Now the domino sits perfectly flat on this surface, runs up and down, and if you look inside here, you can see, and I'll try and get right in there, because it's often difficult when you get into a spot like this, but so you can see there's the line. All I'll just do is mark the line and plunge. Now, the thing about it is it stays perfectly parallel to your job because I've got it running off the, all the little, my little domino peg, or not domino pegs, my little, I'm trying to do it too fast. These are obviously the little stops, the dogs, that's what they're called, dogs, sorry. So I just push up that. This is 90 degrees to this. I've already set this in place. I've reversed it so that, yeah, normally you would actually have this would be on this side and you use your saw to cut. But I don't want the saw, I want to use it so this can rig out to here. So all I do is, as you can see here, there's the mark, which is the center of the domino. The distance between the face of this and the center is 56 millimeters, and that's only because of the size. That's only because of the size of what I did this. But you could, make one into a more of an accurate or easier measurement rather than 56 millimeters. And it's a beauty. It just runs up and down perfectly, all in parallel in line. So when I have my matching dominoes here, just pop it in, and easy peasy. So that was just a quick little tip, and